Unveiling hidden gems, must-visit campgrounds for hybrid campers. Are you tired of crowded campgrounds and seeking a more secluded and picturesque camping experience? Look no further. In this article, we unveil a selection of hidden gems, scenic campgrounds that offer fantastic amenities and breathtaking surroundings. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or simply looking for a peaceful retreat, these campgrounds are perfect for hybrid camper enthusiasts like you. So, grab your camping gear, hop into your hybrid camper, and get ready for an unforgettable outdoor adventure. 1. Lakeview Oasis Campground. Nestled on the shores of a pristine mountain lake, Lakeview Oasis Campground is a true gem. Wake up to stunning views of the water and spend your days swimming, fishing, or paddling in the crystal clear lake. The campground offers spacious RV sites with full hookups, modern facilities, and convenient access to hiking trails that lead to breathtaking vistas. This hidden oasis provides the ideal setting for relaxation and connection with nature. 2. Sunset Pines Campground. Escape the hustle and bustle of city life and immerse yourself in the tranquility of Sunset Pines Campground. Located in a secluded pine forest, this campground offers a serene atmosphere and a sense of serenity. Set up camp under the towering trees, enjoy the sounds of nature, and marvel at the vibrant sunsets that give the campground its name. With amenities like hiking trails, a swimming lake, and cozy communal fire pits, Sunset Pines is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts seeking solace. 3. Mountain Valley Retreat. Nestled in a picturesque valley surrounded by majestic mountains, Mountain Valley Retreat offers a peaceful and idyllic camping experience. The campground boasts spacious RV sites with panoramic views, making it the perfect place to unwind and reconnect with nature. Enjoy hiking through meandering trails, indulge in birdwatching, or simply relax by the babbling creek that runs through the property. With its serene ambience and stunning vistas, Mountain Valley Retreat is a nature lover's paradise. 4. Coastal Haven Campground. For those seeking a beachside camping experience, Coastal Haven Campground is the ultimate destination. Situated just steps away from the sandy shores and rolling waves, this campground offers a unique blend of coastal charm and outdoor adventure. Wake up to the soothing sound of crashing waves, spend your days building sandcastles, and end your evenings with a beach bonfire under the starry sky. Coastal Haven Campground combines the best of both worlds, the tranquility of nature and the allure of the ocean. 5. Riverside Meadows Campground. If you yearn for the calming presence of a flowing river, Riverside Meadows Campground is the perfect choice. This hidden gem is nestled along the banks of a scenic river, providing campers with a serene and picturesque setting. Settle into a riverside campsite, cast a line and try your luck at fishing, or simply relax in a hammock while listening to the gentle sounds of the water. With its peaceful ambience and opportunities for water-based activities, Riverside Meadows offers a refreshing escape from the hustle of everyday life. 6. Wilderness Retreat Campground. Immerse yourself in the beauty of untouched wilderness at Wilderness Retreat Campground. Tucked away in a remote and pristine natural area, this campground offers a true escape into the wild. Pitch your tent or park your hybrid camper amidst towering trees, breathe in the fresh forest air, and embark on adventurous hikes through untouched trails. Wilderness Retreat Campground is a haven for nature enthusiasts seeking solitude and a chance to reconnect with the Earth's raw beauty. 7. Mountain Summit Campground. For breathtaking mountain vistas and exhilarating outdoor experiences, Mountain Summit Campground is a must-visit destination. Perched high in the mountains, this campground offers sweeping panoramic views of rugged peaks and lush valleys. Set up camp in a spacious site, go hiking on challenging trails that lead to scenic overlooks, or simply bask in the tranquility of nature. Mountain Summit Campground promises an immersive mountain retreat that will leave you in awe of the natural wonders that surround you. 8. Lakefront Paradise Campground. If you're a water enthusiast, Lakefront Paradise Campground is your dream come true. Nestled along the shores of a glistening lake, this campground provides campers with direct access to water activities such as swimming, boating, and kayaking. Choose a lakeside campsite and wake up to mesmerizing views of the water. Explore nearby hiking trails that offer glimpses of wildlife and natural beauty. With its prime location and abundant recreational opportunities, Lakefront Paradise Campground is a haven for water-loving campers. 9. Hidden Valley Campground. As the name suggests, Hidden Valley Campground is a secluded haven nestled within a hidden valley. Surrounded by rolling hills, dense forests, and meandering streams, this campground offers a true sense of seclusion and tranquility. Explore the nearby nature trails, listen to the sounds of chirping birds, or simply relax by your campfire while taking in the beauty of the surroundings. Hidden Valley Campground is a hidden gem where you can escape the stresses of everyday life and immerse yourself in the wonders of nature. 10. Desert Oasis Campground. For a unique and awe-inspiring camping experience, Desert Oasis Campground provides a stunning backdrop of desert landscapes and star-filled skies. Discover the beauty of arid lands, witness vibrant sunsets over the dunes, and stargaze under a blanket of twinkling stars. Despite its rugged environment, the campground offers modern amenities and ensures a comfortable stay. Desert Oasis Campground invites adventurers to embrace the vastness of the desert and find solace in its remarkable beauty. Each of these hidden gem campgrounds offers a distinct experience, allowing you to reconnect with nature, find peace, and create cherished memories. Whether you're seeking a tranquil lakeside retreat, an awe-inspiring mountain vista, or a secluded beachside escape, these campgrounds cater to your desires. Pack your hybrid camper, embark on a journey to these hidden gems, and let nature's wonders unfold before your eyes. Camping is our happy place.